Hi everyone. What I have here is a 1950s Era Aerocraft aluminum canoe. This canoe was given to me by a neighbor who was leaving it, abandoning it. So it has some vintage seats in it that need to be repaired. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a shot. I wanted to let you have you take a look. Here's what the old ones look like, and I've started to replace a couple already. They've got these interesting kind of spring clips right here, and each one of these is attached by that spring clip. What I found is if you just take something like a straight piece of wood, you can just put it like anywhere along, not on this side, I'm sorry, on this side over here where it's mounting. So, alright, so I'm going to pick up where I left off previously and showing you how these rotten straps are going to be replaced. The clips that hold them on are right here, and you can use a piece of wood, and I just got like a paint stick, and there's a seam inside here and a seam under here where it actually clips. You can see how it holds the material in, and if you take the wood and stick, you can actually come from the back side and just give it a little tap, and the clip will come off. Alright, you can see how it's made with a little retainer on one side, and that fits in the slot when you put it back on. And I'll take both of these off. They come off pretty easily. I mean, it's not too hard to get them off. And then I usually I saved a piece of each one of these that was full length to use to cut my strap. And it's just regular lawn chair strap that I bought online, and I'm going to cut it to length so that I can fit it back. Alright, so I've got the piece of strap that I've cut to fit this area that I took from measurements from the old piece, and we'll take one side. I'm just going to kind of overlay it on that slot and hook this piece in, just kind of line it up where the old one was, make sure it's fairly straight. Squeeze that into that slot and then pull up, and it'll snap in place. Then you take it around once, and then make sure you feed it correctly through so that it's oriented right. And then what I've been doing is I take this piece around, I find the slot on the back side here, kind of mark it with a fingernail, or if I can do it, and then make a fold. So fold the material kind of where I want it to clip in. You take your backwards. Sorry. Take again the channel material, put it in here, and make it kind of into like a half moon. And then I line this up with the other one that's here, pull it as tight as I can. And when you hear it snap good, that means it's in the slot. So I've got one that I put in, might need to tighten it up. I may have to take it out and put another one in, but that's the way you do it. And then you alternate the straps and do them one by one. Thank you. So I got it completed. You can see the finished product brings this 1950s era aluminum boat back kind of to life as far as the seats goes, and makes it comfortable and safe to use with regards to seats. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. There's a little technique to doing it, but it's not difficult, and I'll be happy to try and answer any questions you have. Thank you.